Hi, this is Chris at the Wandering Bull. On our Facebook page, we've had several requests on how to straighten feathers and how to cut feathers. So that's today's project. So in front of me, we buy hand-painted feathers that look like eagle feathers. These three here are those, and they're all from the left side of the bird due to the curve. So they would sit on that bird's wing on the left. So when they come off the bird, they have a curve to them. So you want to straighten them out to look like tail feathers. So they're taking a wing feather, that's a white turkey feather, straightening it, painting it, and trimming the top so it looks like an eagle feather. So we're going to work on straightening right now. Have an iron in front of me, rather hot, on a towel, and the turkey wing feather, I'm going to apply the iron to it and let it sit for a moment. We're probably 10-20 seconds per side. And the trick is we're going to straighten that quill out. So once that quill gets warm, it will change shape, and we're going to hold it in place till it cools. That's the trick, is heating it, holding it till it cools in the shape that you want it. So I'm going to go a little greater than I need to be. So he's a little better. I'm going to give it a little more heat. And as I said, I'm going to hold it further than I want because it will snap back. It will gain its memory back over time, and it will become bent or become curved like it came off the bird again. So that guy's fairly straight. Big improvement from that. We sell the white turkey wings in dozens and in grosses. So if you want to try your hand painting feathers, there's a trick to that. So I think that quill's warm enough. I'm gonna hold that guy, let him cool. Let's switch over to wild turkey feathers. So same thing, these feathers come to us in dozens and grosses, and the gross has 144 in it. So, and this guy is also a left, comes off the left wing of that bird. There's two other methods to straightening feathers. One is with a tea kettle on a stove and have the water boil and steam out of the mouth of that kettle. That works well. I'm gonna hold that feather. That works well. And the other is a light bulb, and work that feather out. So I want to round the tip of this. So I'm gonna hold in my left hand, take the scissors in my right, and rest the scissors on my fingers. Go around. So there you go. Chris at the Wandering Bull, straightening feathers. Thanks for watching. PowWows.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram. If you have any questions, you can certainly give us a call at 1-800-430-2855. Thanks for watching.